How to share draft reels to friends. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So I'm going to create a reel real quick right over here. And actually I can already see that I have a draft over here. Now, if I would like to share this to my friends, there's no actual option to share this on Instagram with friends, but the easiest thing to do is simply click on your draft. At the top right corner, you can click on edit, and then here this editor will open up. Now you want to click on your reel so it opens up in full screen, and then at the top you can see this save button right beside the music button. When I click on it, it says couldn't be saved. Now I don't know exactly if that is because this video is too short or because there's no music, because somehow when I add music, this is extremely weird, but let me explain. When I add a song, just like this, now there is a song on the reel. I can save the reel, but now I can save it without the audio due to copyright issues. So only when I add a song, I can save the video, but then without the song because due to copyright issues. But now I have actually saved this reel to my photos. So I'll just go to my photos real quick, and there we go. We now have this reel or the video in my Photos app, and now I can share this to any platform with my friends. So now I can actually go to my private DMs and simply send this reel to my friend, and then you can say like, hey, what do you think of this reel or whatever. And that is basically the way to how to share draft reels to friends.